What should you do if a police officer pulls you over for a suspected DUI? If you're pulled over for a DUI in Arizona, you need to do 4 things. You need to provide your license, registration, proof of insurance, and the 4th one, ask for a lawyer. Even if you're not arrested for a DUI yet, you still have the right to a lawyer. So say, I want a lawyer. When you do this, you're actually exercising some really important rights, namely the right to counsel. And this means that the officer cannot be asking you any incriminating questions. You have the right to remain silent. You only have to provide the information that I told you before. Your ID, proof of insurance, registration. Now, if you don't have your ID, you do need to provide your full name and any identifying information, but you don't have to answer where you're coming from, where you're going to, how much you had to drink, or if you had any drugs or medication. In fact, you should not be answering those questions whatsoever. Immediately ask to speak with a lawyer, because if an officer violates that right, it's possibly a basis to suppress evidence in your case, sometimes even dismiss the case altogether. So if you're pulled over for a DUI, think lawyer, 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 lawyer. And even if you've been arrested or before you're arrested for DUI, I hope you have my name in mind. My phone number is 480-927-3700. Happy to give you a free consultation. I do a lot of DUI work, so I know what to look for to see if the officer conducted a proper investigation and whether you might have any possible defenses. Again, 480-927-3700.